Hey guys, today's Monday the 28th. Okay, as I told you in class today, you have a video, this one, to watch for homework. Okay. Also, remember to go back and rewatch the video on Friday on characteristics of functions, transformations. That way, you refresh your memory on those, and hopefully you can clear up any cobwebs you have. I'm going to give you another classwork accuracy grade on Wednesday, and the one that you did today I will hand back tomorrow. Hopefully you are in a comfy spot, maybe on your bed, in your pajamas, eating some popcorn and some Coke, and drinking some Coke. Okay? These will be very short and sweet. Okay, we're going to talk about growth and decay. And that shouldn't be capitalized. Okay, growth and decay. Now, we've already looked at graphs, and we've labeled them as either a growth or a decay. But now we're going to talk about them a little bit more. A graph that takes this shape, as you know, is a growth. And a graph that takes this shape, you know, is a decay. And then we talked about ones, because obviously we know what happens and what makes a graph do this. We know that's going to be neither a growth or decay. And hopefully when I said we know what makes the graph look like this, you said that it is reflected over the x-axis. Okay? So now let's go back and talk about a growth. Okay? Your growth, in order for it to be considered a growth, your b, and we know b is your base of the exponent, is greater than 1. Okay, so if my b is greater than 1, I know it's a growth, which means I'm increasing. Well, a decay a decay is where b is greater than 0 and less than 1. So if my b is basically a fraction, 1/3, smaller than 1, 2/3, 1/5, it is a decay, and it is decreasing. Okay. So now, if I give you example number 1. If I say y is equal to 5x plus 4, and I want to know if this is a growth or a decay, you would look at your b, and you would see that b is 5, which is greater than 1, which means this is a growth, which means it's increasing. What about this one? Okay, y is equal to 1/3 raised to the power of x minus 2 minus 4. Again, you look at b and you decide, okay, well, b is less than 1 but greater than 0. So then this is a decay, which means the graph is decreasing. Okay? And lastly, now I've made some changes to this. I've added a few things. Okay, hopefully you can look at this and tell me what this graph would look like. Okay, you can talk about the transformations. We know this number out here is going to shrink our graph by 1/5. Okay, we know we are shifting right 7. We also know that our asymptote is 0 because it's plus 0. We also know that that my range is, y is greater than 0. Now, we also now can determine if it's a growth or a decay by looking at B. Well, B is 9/4. And as you know, 9/4 is greater than 1. Therefore, it is a growth. And it's increasing. Okay. You try these. You need to label them growth or decay, increasing or decreasing. Make sure you bring these answers to class tomorrow, and we will continue this in class. Hope you guys have a great night. See you tomorrow.